your mathematics teacher. Now today we are going to start next topic, lines and rays. So all of you know about line. When we go in a straight line, it means that we go in any direction, means we can turn left side also, we can turn right side also. In school assembly, there is a line of all the students of class wise, but what is the difference between line and line segment? So a line, first we discuss about line. Line has no end point. Line has no end point, means it is a line and it can extend in any direction, means it can extend this direction also, it can extend left also, means the line has no end point. It is no end point, it can extend in any direction. But line segment, line segment has two end point. Line segment has two end point, means the distance is fixed. We cannot extend from fixed distance. This is starting point and this is ending point. This is starting point and this is ending point. Line segment has two end point. It start from this point and end at this point. It cannot extend right and it cannot extend in left. So the starting point is known as initial point. The starting point is known as initial point and ending point is known as final point, and ending point is known as final point, means the distance is fixed and in line the distance is not fixed. This is the basic difference between line and line segment. Now next one is ray. Next one is ray. A ray has one end point. A ray has one end point, means it can start from this point and end at this point. This is the symbol of ray. This arrow is the symbol of ray, means when we put arrow here, it means it is a ray. It is a ray and it cannot extend from this direction. It can extend from left because it is starting point and ray has only one end point, means it cannot extend from this direction but it can extend from left, and this is the symbol of ray. Next one is parallel lines. Next one is parallel lines. Now lines meaning we have two lines here, and how can it be defined? It is parallel line. The two lines which never intersect each other. The two lines which never intersect each other means intersect. The meaning of intersect means cut. Meaning of intersect is cut. The two lines which cannot cut and which cannot cross each other is known as parallel line. In this we have two lines. It can extend in right, it can also extend in right direction. This can extend in left also, but it cannot meet. It cannot intersect each other. This is the parallel line. The line which cannot meet to each other and which cannot intersect each other. It is known as parallel line. It can be horizontal also and it can be vertical also. It can be horizontal also and it can be vertical also. Next one is intersecting line. Next one is intersecting line. In intersecting line there are also two lines. In intersecting line there are also two lines, but it is opposite to parallel line, because intersecting line, the two line which can intersect at one point, means it can cut each other at one point. So in this also we have two line, and parallel lines also we have two line. But parallel line, the two line cannot intersect each other, and in intersecting line the two line can intersect, can cut each other lines in one point. So students, in this topic we have studied about lines and rays. Thank you and have a nice day.